In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership site on system.io. To get started, you will first log into your system.io account. Take a moment to open your browser, go to system.io, and enter your login information. Once you are signed in, you should land on your main dashboard. This is the control center where you will find the areas for building courses, membership content, and other parts of your site. Now that you are inside your account, you are going to navigate to the section where courses are managed. Look for the menu that includes Assets and then click on Courses. Depending on your dashboard layout, you may need to open a drop-down or expand the Assets area. The goal here is to reach the Courses area because that is where the course structure for your membership content begins. When you arrive at the Courses page, you will see options related to existing courses and course setup. Click Add a new course to start building something fresh. After you select this, system.io will open a setup screen. This is where you define what your course will be called, what it is about, and how it appears to visitors. Next, you will enter the name, description, and customize the URL path. The course name should be clear and specific because it is often the first thing people notice. The description should briefly explain what learners will get when they join, so keep it focused on the outcome. Then customize the URL path so your link looks clean and readable. A well-chosen URL path helps with organization and makes it easier to share the course later. After you set the basic details, you will move on to the visual settings. Find the options for the course domain and theme colors and set them to match your site branding. The course domain ensures the course is hosted on the right place, while theme colors control how the course pages look. Choose colors that align with your membership site, so everything feels like one unified experience. Once these settings are in place, click Save. This step matters because it stores your course setup and makes sure you do not lose any of the information you just entered. After saving, you should be able to continue building the course structure. Now that the course exists, you will organize the content by adding a module. Click Add Module to create a section inside your course. Think of a module as a logical chapter or part of your course. You might group lectures by lesson number, topic, or learning phase. For now, simply create your module so you have a container for videos, text, and other resources. With a module created, you are ready to add the actual learning materials. Click Add Lecture within Modules. This is where you start filling your course with content. You will be able to upload videos, include text, or add files depending on what your course needs. Take a moment to review what options are available on the lecture screen and then choose the type of content that best supports your lesson. As you upload or add your lecture content, be sure it matches the purpose of the module. For example, if the module is about a specific topic, keep the lecture focused and relevant. Clear and organized lecture content makes it easier for members to follow along and helps your course feel professional. When everything for the lecture is added, you can continue the same process for additional modules and lectures as needed. The key idea is that you first create the course, then add modules, and then add lectures inside those modules. This structure keeps your membership offering neat and easy to navigate. And that covers everything you need to know. You have successfully set up the course framework in system.io, so you can now expand your membership content one module and lecture at a time. And that is all there is to it.